afternoon guys, I'm here for yet another quick unboxing. So just a little bit earlier, may nag-doorbell. Kahapon dineliver dito, pero since wala ako, nasa office ako, sabi ko, deliver na lang ngayon. Tapos nandito lang ako sa bahay, shift ko mamaya pang 10 p.m. So as you can see here, one of my grails, Jordan 11 Concords na binili ko last year. Release date was December 8 December 8, 2018. So I got this in GS7. Napanood nyo na naman siguro yung unboxing nito. So pinapakita ko lang kasi yung unbox natin ngayon yung counterpart nito, Jordan 11 Breds. So, ito ako muna sa tabi, baby. And box, different dun sa box nitong Jordan 11 Concords na black na may Jordan. So, as you can see, brown, and may red sa sides and black on the bottom. Here's the details: 7Y, official colorway, black, true red, and white. So let's pop the box open. The card. The card says Air Jordan 11. The Air Jordan 11 is one of the most iconic silhouettes in the history of sneakers. This season, Jordan brand celebrates this model by delivering detailed craftsmanship, honoring MJ's first Triple Crown run. He was the league MVP, All-Star MVP, and Finals MVP. He's the GOAT. This instant classic will leave you saying, "This gotta be the shoes." Thank you, Jordan brand. See? So, yung usual, not the usual one. Yung dito, white yung paper. So, ito yung ini-issue nila. Ito na agad. Yung carbon fiber. Sabi nila, doon sa original na lumabas nitong Breds, it was black and gray. This time, yung carbon fiber niya ay black and white. Compared to the Jordan 11 Concords, it's black and white pero maliliit yung checkered niya. Compared to this one, malalaki. So, red bottoms. Okay. Leather with the red Jordan brand, number 23 on the back, compared again to Concords, which has 45. Patent leather, katulad ng sa Jordan 11 Concords. Okay. Bango. You can actually lick the bottoms of this, but wag na. Set that aside, and then the other pair. Comfy tong shoes na to. Sa lahat ng Jordan shoes ko, I've got Jordan 1, Jordan 3, Jordan 5, and itong Jordan 11. The comfiest of those 4 pairs are my Jordan 11s. And the next ones are yung Jordan 1, then Jordan 3, and yung pinakang masakit sa paa. Maybe because I got it for size 6.5. Yung Jordan 5. Tsaka hindi ko na break in na maayos yun. matigas yung leather nila. Talagang premium yung leather kasi hindi ko na-break ng maayos. Kaya yun, medyo stiff pa hanggang ngayon. But yeah, ito kailangan i-break in ng 3 straight days. Alam niyo naman, pag nag-break in ako talagang sinusuot ko yung sapatos ng 3 straight days para mas maging komportable siya. I don't think this has an air unit inside, just this midsole na malambot. Yun, I've got nothing more to say on this. Alam ko naman nakapanood na kayo ng ilang unboxing nito. Medyo late na yung pag-purchase ko kasi nung first release day niya, di ako nakakuha kasi sold out agad. And I think nung nagpunta ako sa stores, nagpunta mismo ako sa Foot Locker, sa Dera City Center, and sa Nike store. Sold out na din siya. Nag-release sila ng alas 7 ng umaga, parang ganun, pati online. Tapos nagpunta ako sa store ng mga around 11 AM na, so wala na. Then sabi dun sa Foot Locker, pinastop down ng Jordan Dubai Mall yung pag-release kasi nagkagulo daw yung mga tao. So I was expecting na magkakaroon talaga sila ng re-release. Nag-announce sila ng quick strike nung Thursday. Sabi nila magkakaroon ng quick strike online and in stores. So Friday morning, nagising ako ng maaga kasi morning shift ako nun. So I was able to cop a pair on my size. So mag-attach na lang ako ng on-fit look nitong sick pair na to dun sa end ng video. So there you have it guys, my new pair, Jordan 11 Breds kasi black and red kasi what they call it. My Concords which I bought last year and my Breds which I bought 3 days ago. So, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and see you again soon. Sana swertihin na ako sa susunod sa mga Yeezy releases kasi yun na lang yung wala ako. I'm not into Adidas pero syempre nandun yung hype sa Yeezy, so I hope makakap ako nun. So there you have it. See you again soon on our next unboxing. Goodbye guys. Thank you.